once we got onto the start of the Bridle Track, the first hill we went to go up in 4 high, I just had no power in first gear whatsoever. It was not getting up that hill. So I had to put it into 4 low, and that had plenty of power. But I noticed when I put it into 4 high that the 4-wheel drive light was flickering a little bit. So it didn't go in, and it's left me very unsure about doing this truck.
So far, the Triton shakedown was not going according to plan. With a 4B that was determined to be a 2B, we decided to call it a day and regroup. You see, me and Gary are a couple of hands-on blokes for sure, but we're not what you would call 4-wheel drive specialists. In fact, that's half the point of this channel, to let you at home follow along as we go from not knowing what a blah 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 is, to tackling the infamous gunshot about a year from now. My job requires a solid knowledge of physics, and my dad's a mechanic, so I grew up with my head in an engine bay. Gary's the Michelangelo of panel beating and can fix pretty much any body issue. So between us, we just assumed any problem on the road was workable with enough bog and zip ties. But when the 4-wheel drive shit itself and the Triton couldn't power up a hill my nan could pedal a bike up, we had the sobering realisation that we don't know what we're doing. Turns out this trip was as much a shakedown for us as it was the Triton, and so far, machine and man are both on 0 points. But hey, it's pretty bloody hard to worry about that when you're pulled up next to a place like this. After freezing our nuts off for the second night in a row, we decided to spend the day with cameras off and track north. We only had 1 night left on our trip and we wanted to explore the Dalmorton region, so we plugged Glen Innes into the GPS and hit the road.
As we were heading towards Glen Innes to find a free camp, the weather turned and we pulled up short at Armidale. We were tired and wet, so we made an easy decision to book a motel room for the night. We woke up the next morning ready to hit the road and make the most of our last day. But first, breakfast.
Was that an absolute 10 out of 10 pie here in Armidale? Where did we have the pie, mate?
We had it at Ridgety Ridgegate pie. And mate, no joke, it is absolutely beautiful pie.
Ready to go.
Coming past, stop.
As we're driving, let's do a quick check-in on how the Triton has gone. All jokes aside, besides not being able to engage 4-wheel drive, it has held up quite well. Fuel was averaging around 14 litres per 100, and the Triton's a comfy drive. It's not going to win any beauty pageants, that's for sure, but it could easily be the winner's half-decent looking cousin from back in the village. By this point, I've grown attached to the old rust bucket, and we'll get cracking on giving her a facelift and making her more purpose-built for off-road.
Honest question, because this could ruin our friendship.
What?
Are you one of those people that go to someone else's toilet and you go to sit down and take a shit or take a piss or whatever, and then you realise they've got the toilet paper roll wrong way around?
You use toilet paper?
Yes, especially on number 2s.
Are you asking me this question because of that dodgy motel we were just at?
Absolutely. Did you do it on purpose? You just swap it around?
No, man, that's how it was. It was under coming out.
Why didn't you change it? I literally sat there and went, no, I've got to change your shit.
So just think about this, right? Someone that's paid to work in that place actually did that.
Yep.
That was their method of restocking toilet paper.
No, that's right. Oh yeah, can't find it, grind it, bitch. That's the way to do it.
Found it eventually.
You did find it eventually, on the side of the road. She's already struggling up the hill as it is, mate. You're not helping.
I've got 100 kilos of excess weight to go.
You call me fat?
Sorry, bro. I've got 92 kilos of excess weight to go.
As we were driving, I spotted a road to Guy Fawkes National Park that looked a bit alright. So without checking my mirrors, I hit the brakes and swung left. Best decision I've made in a while, because old mate Google Maps was going to take us around the national park, and I'm bloody glad we didn't miss out on this.
Oh, this is actually going to take us where we want to go. Just going a different way. Wow.
Isn't the whole point of looking at the GPS so that it's taking you where you want to go?
No, I just saw the Guy Fawkes River sign and just went, oh, fucking YOLO, let's do it.
Oh, I got it.
That's why I slammed on the brakes and fucking went left.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh, wow, yeah, fuck yeah.
Yep, beautiful. Look at you go.
Now we're talking.
Hey. It's beautiful, man.
Fucking stunning.
This is the life, man. Look at that.
Hey, this is perfect. Wow. Oh, man, it's got fucking four-wheel drive tracks in every other direction.
Well, once you get a four-wheel drive, we can go.
Don't let him say that about you, baby.
He meant everything.
Very good kid.
Fawkes, let's go hunting. You're like one of those movies. We'll pull over, I'll pick up the bow and arrow. Zane, you got 5 minutes. Head stop.
Yeah, deliverance.
Start running. Fallen trees. You know what the scary part? There's so many bigger trees along the line. Like they could fall down any time.
Yeah, man. That's why a lot of those blokes on these do these trips carry chainsaws with them.
Chainsaws.
Yeah, so you just clear whatever's on the road.
I've got a chainsaw going.
We're going to be here a while.
Look, technically, it's still a chainsaw.
It is a chainsaw. It
It's
has a
about-
chain.
Yep.
And it's a saw.
Yep. And he's got a lithium battery that's almost flat.
Yep.
And it's about 6 inches. Let's go 6. About 6 inches long,
Yep.
which is perfectly fine for most people.
There's nothing wrong with 6 inches,
Yeah.
mate.
Does the job. Gets the
Right.
job done.
Exactly. We're doing some climbing, mate.
You're still in 5th gear
Yeah.
and wondering why you got no power.
Yeah.
Yep.
In reverse.
Alpha racing.
Yep. Half a racing.
Alpha
That's
racing.
right. Whoa. Yeah. She's just falling straight down from the top of the tree up
Yep.
there. Fuck.
Yeah, man.
Vista Point picnic area. Check it.
Sure. Look at that.
Get the fudge out of town.
Just after Vista Point Lookout, we came across an impressive sight. A large tree had fallen down over the road, and lucky for us, it looked like a team of park rangers had already cleared it. It must have taken a few blokes a couple of hours to get this job done.
At a fork in the road, we decided to make a detour to check out Chilandi.
Oh, mate, you're fired, I'll do it. At a fork in the road, we decided to make a detour and check out Chilandi Campground.
That's what I said. Whatever.
There we met the lads that cleared the road. And by lads, we mean Big Kev. Big Kev's a 73-year-old legend who single-handedly cleared 4 fallen trees and had the receipts to prove it. Because we're new to this YouTube thing, we forgot to ask Big Kev if he would mind being in the episode. So out of respect, we're going to alter his identity.
Can you bring animals here, like dogs and shit, or is it not allowed?
15 grand if you caught an air.
There was a big sign up there said no animals, no drones, nothing.
Yeah, because we already said dog and dog and hog poison.
Yeah, poison
Yeah,
area.
that's
Yeah,
Yep, that's the one.
We would have come past there.
we did, mate.
Yeah, we
Yeah, I
did.
took some video of it.
Chilandi Campground's an absolute gem and only $12 a night to camp. But beware, there's no reception down here, so if you find yourself here and want to spend the night, You'll have to make your way up to the top of the mountain to get a little bit of 5G. Book your site and happy days. A couple of clicks down the road, we came across our own fallen tree that was going to be a minor inconvenience to anyone passing by.
This is a hazard. We're going to take care of it.
Not wanting to be shown up by Big Kev, Gary sprung into action and let his 6-incher get to work.
Very smaller one.
Not walking so tough now, are you?
That did that.
Look at that. The road, which was passable, is now slightly more passable thanks to this man. Oh.
That's how you control something so massive.
Yeah, going back. What are these falls we're supposed to get? Is it in 27 minutes?
Yeah, that's
Or did we go past them?
I'm plugging this into Dalmorton tunnel, right?
Is that where the falls is?
What falls?
Didn't you say there was some falls we're going to go see? Like a waterfalls and
falls
shit?
one
What have you
time.
said? Cape Falls or so? Is it a suburb?
What?
What? Where are we going, man? I'm so confused.
We're going to Dalmorton tunnel.
No, before that. Didn't you put some falls or something we're supposed to go to?
No.
No.
I haven't put any falls in.
Here I am thinking we're going to go to some water.
The only thing that's falling is my respect for you right now. And it is on a steep decline.
Well, I've got zero patience now.
I mean, okay, in fairness to the haters, we got to the very fucking start of the Bridle Track and it shit itself. But then it got better.
Yeah. That's because it's a Triton?
Maybe.
Is that the problem?
Maybe that's the problem. Maybe they know.
Yeah. You looked at it and went, not today.
Yeah.
Not today.
Yeah. The Triton was like, no. Old Glenniness Road closed at Dalmorton Township. Yeah, so we're going to have to circle back.
From 7th to the 1st, 2025.
Yeah.
Why do we have to circle back?
Well, because we can't get through to get to Grafton, right? If you've been following along since the first episode, I reckon you can guess exactly how our trip to Dalmorton Tunnel's going to end.
So, are you saying we're going to turn
Yep.
all the way back where we came from?
With the day wearing on, we pulled up at the beautiful Boyder River to make some grub and take it all in.
Let's go down river. Only about 5 minutes.
It's pretty cooked to me.
Looks pretty cooked.
Yes, the resistance. That's really good. Of course, with a bit of careful planning, we could have fit a lot more into this trip, but it was still so good to hit the road with a great mate, see some beautiful country, and feel confident that the Triton's worth building into a budget-friendly, half-reliable off-roader to see even more of this incredible country of ours down the track.